My name is Idris Demir, and today we have another camera lens unboxing video. This one is quite special as it is a birthday gift from my wife. To start, here's the packaging box with a date on it. Close to when I recorded this video. Actually, I ordered from B&H and this is my first time ordering through them online. I received this package really fast, like less than a week, and you'll see in a minute. Nothing special around this package, but we have a pull tab here, so let's try opening it. Well, this is not opening, so let's try from the sides. This is a bit challenging, but we'll get through it. So from here, we can see some big bubble wraps. They really secured our lens. Let's put it on the side. And the rest of the box contains more big bubble wraps. And we also have the receipt from B&H. Now let's remove the package and proceed with the lens box. So let's pull the back from the plastic. So this box is small and it says RF 28mm f2.8 STM with the Canon logo. Next we can see the picture of the lens, and here we have just the Canon logo. Flipping once again, we can see the box contents in different languages, which is the lens only. Up top we can see some barcodes and also where the lens was made. And if you're curious, there's nothing at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and open this box. First, we have the warranty card, and you can immediately see USA on it. And I will check it later. Next, we have the Canon interchangeable lens instructions, and this is small compared to the previous manual. I'll read this one later as well. Here is the... Hold on, let's wipe off some dust first. Here is another big bubble wrap, which houses the lens. So let's grab it from here. But before that, let's check the rest of the box and another big bubble wrap at the bottom. So let's side it out as usual. Going back to the lens, let's remove this plastic to have our first look. So here is the lens, and you can see the 28 text in the middle Going around, we can see the autofocus and control switch, grayed out serial number, and focusing distance. Now let's remove the rear lens cap, and we can see the connecting pins but no rubber gasket for weather sealing. Slight difficulty putting back the rear lens cap. And up front, let's remove the lens cap, and we can see the tiny glass and 55mm thread. Last but not the least, the small control ring in the front. And just for curiosity, here is a size comparison with the combined rear lens and body cap. From here, we can see the lens is just slightly taller. And here's another size comparison with our RF 50mm f1.8 STM. The whole 28mm can fit within the lens body of the 50mm. Overall, this lens definitely feels super compact and lightweight, and obviously with the size and the build quality. I'll add this lens to my kit and share my experience over time. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.